Here is the Konica C35 Flashmatic overall conditions. Okay, at the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. Using one LR44 battery, and we just put it like this. The positive is face out, and we just close it. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover inside like this, and I've replaced the light seal for you, so yeah, no problem in the lightning issue. Next is how to load the film. About the film, we need to pull the rewind knob up and push it down. Make sure that you have locked it properly. We push it down, make sure it's fully down like this, because sometimes you might facing like this kind of problem, you cannot push anymore. So you just turn a bit and yeah, it will goes out. And the film tip, we insert into here. Any simply hole will do, okay? And we just wind it. I think we should insert a bit, okay? And we just close it. Make sure your film is flat like this, and we just close it. Here will slightly turn a bit. Okay, it's tight. Okay, how to know whether you have loaded the film properly? When you wind the film, look at the rewind knob. Wait, yeah, it will move together, which means that it's okay to shoot. Okay. Then next thing is to adjust the ISO. Just now my film is 500 ISO, so here I turn to maximum is 400. Then we'll be okay to shoot. And here is the focus. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center part of here, okay, got the yellow box. And when you use the yellow box to aim the thing, the stuff, the object, you will see there's a split image. So all you need is just like adjust the focus until they align together, which means that it's focused. Wow, yeah, here is too near, so it can't focus. And the next thing is at here, the right side. Here got a bar. It will show you the current shutter speed and aperture. And there's a black needle at here. I'm not sure whether you can see properly or not. Yeah, it will move according to the light source. If I cover it, it will go down. When it's at the red area, which means that the current situation is not allowed to shoot. Yeah. And if not, if you still shoot it, it may have high chances that it will underexpose. Yeah. And next is to use the timer by pulling it fully down and press it. It took around 10 seconds like that, but I need to cover it because this film is the used film, and I scared that there's a double exposure. Yeah. Okay, like that. And here we record how many shots we have took. Okay, so you just shoot it. You just wind until it cannot wind anymore, then only you rewind it. If not, because sometimes I keep like wind it and I can get more than 36 pixels, okay? And when you shoot, finish, like wind until it cannot wind anymore, feel that there's a resistance, then press the button at the bottom here, flip here up, and start rewind. Rewind until it suddenly becomes very loose, which means that it's okay already. Then we just stick out the film and take to develop. So the overall is like this. Hope you enjoy it.